Hey guys, my name's Allegra and I'm going to show you how to do same time chi. Alright, so to show you this move, I want to basically get you to start with your palms facing up towards the sky, your arms in front of you, and your dragon staff on top. And the first thing I want you to do is to just lightly place your dragon staff onto your shoulders, let your arms go, and let it roll down. Practice this a few times so you get the idea of the way that the dragon staff is going to move down your arms and the direction that it's going. So I want you to start by putting your hands in front and then moving them up into dinner plates. So I basically call this dinner plates because I imagine you can put a plate on each side of your arm and serve people around you. And after you've done this movement, I want you to put your palms a little bit back and then go into a chicken wing type movement. So it's going to look like from this to this. So moving it up into dinner plates, it's going to roll a little bit down your hands, go into a chicken movement, and as you put your arms down, they're going to dive through. I'm going to show you again because it's a complicated movement. So palms in front, facing the sky, turn them into dinner plates, let them start to roll down your arms, put your arms into chicken wings, and as it rolls, dive through. And then I just want you to practice that movement and get it smoother and smoother. Some people I notice when they're doing this, they put their arms really high up or really low. So just making sure that when you're doing this, you want to put your arms about this level, not really high up and not super low down so it goes too fast. You want to keep it in the middle so it rolls in a way that you can comfortably roll it over your arms. Like so. And that's same time chi. Hey guys, my name's Allegra. Thanks so much for joining. Until next time.